Today I will be demonstrating this wonderful dashboard which I have got. And this is CFOinB and a very beautiful and masterpiece though data visualization also how financial information should flow in. And this is created by this guy who is Marban Abdu. And okay, this is the platform basically. I find it very intriguing because mm, you can see here's the homepage, which is showing the information related to Saudi market, local market, data performance, and these are top gainers, these are movers. So okay, and then you can see global markets also are here. So movers, sectors you can see here. If you are into financial analysis, then really this will be a very delightful uh, a piece for you. Okay, and you can see the use of colors also very okay. It's a dark theme. You can also convert this into a light theme where you can very well see the insights in light and dark theme. Okay. Here is the news, okay, of the market. I can, okay. The most good thing which I liked about this dashboard is here is CFO in business maths, you have competencies. Okay, fundamental analysis, you can type any symbol here and you can get the fundamental analysis not only in Saudi market but also in other markets which are surrounding markets of MENA region, I would say. And then you can see this is one analysis which is it is giving you. So here you can see the stock price trend, which is I think day on day. Okay, and then you can see the company information. Okay, company information. Okay, in the sector, and then you can visit the website also. And these are the key matrices: revenue, income trend, profit margins displayed very well. Asset composition is displayed very well. I like the color combination. Cash flow analysis in the candle chart. You can see mm, very good. And then you can also view a full analysis. Now there is a business transformation map, which is basically you can transform any company with a 7-phase comprehensive analysis. This is very good. I like it. Okay, which has the phase one of intake and goals, the phase two of data context, then diagnostics, then benchmarking, valuation, strategy, and risk and executive outputs. Then here you can see CFO INB powered tools. Some tools are there where you can get the PowerPoint templates. You can find templates for your role, and then you can rephrase and translate. And then international company news is coming up. Okay, and then there is a live TV where you can watch Bloomberg and Bloomberg US. So this is the first page. Information really cascaded into here. You can see the income statement, balance sheet, cash flow related to that particular company which you have searched. Okay, all ratios showing very clearly. Then all insights, AI powered insights are also, you can generate those insights. And then there is a learning also. You can learn P ratio. These are some financial matrices you can learn very easily. Okay, so many of them. These are some of the finances. So all the things which are related to a chief financial officer uh, are very well listed for the Saudi market. Okay, and then I always like this menu which has a drop down of markets, so you can see economic indicators, calendar, global market, Saudi companies, news, and all sector analysis. Then you have FNB, financial model, business templates, and all. And then you can see productivity. In productivity, you can see CFO, INB, assistant, CFO insights, document converter, and all. And then you can, some of them are premium services. So I think they are hidden, like analysis tools are hidden right now, not unlocked. Analytics is not unlocked. Education is which requires login. Okay, but definitely I like we can convert it into these languages also. So very good dashboard, especially for guys who are into financial markets and finance operations. A piece of information is really, color combination is really beautiful, delightful. And I just in the morning, when I was hovering around my insights, so I stumbled upon this dashboard, and I think this is a good piece of dashboard. So people who are into data visualization can also learn uh, in terms of how we can create these kinds of dashboards. Yeah, great.